I've got my Boxycharm by Ipsy. So if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's hanging out down here. You might hear some comments from the peanut gallery, and Bandit's out harassing my mom because she's making dinner. If you're new though, welcome. Thanks so much for checking this out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is a monthly beauty subscription box if you're unfamiliar with Ipsy. And I have all the details down below if you want to check it out, as well as a discount code or a code that gets you something, a free gift, something like that. If you've never ordered it before and you want to give it a try, go ahead and check that out down there. This is monthly, but you can pause it at any time if you want to take a break for a little while. You can also upgrade it to the icon box, which you would get quarterly, which is what I do. And there's a little flyer inside, and it says Unwrap Joy. That is their theme. And this doesn't go over all of your products. It sometimes has a few featured products in here. Some December micro trends, such as icy makeup, checkered chic aesthetic, and I'm cold makeup look. All right, and there's all the different looks for that. It talks about skincare decadence and some December featured faves. Let's see, I think there's one thing that I received. There's Chloe's hand in my box. But here are some of their featured products. All right, let's get into this. So the first thing was something they chose for me, and that is by Appeal Cosmetics. And this is a hydrating eyeshadow primer. All right, so there we go. There's how it looks. And that is a $21 value. Wasn't much more information. It is a cruelty-free brand. Next, by Well People, is their Expressionist Pro Mascara. And this is a $20 value. And there is how that looks. And the wand is going to look like that. Pretty inside the box too. In the first category, which is where all of the things that I was kind of interested in were, I went with a Natasha Denona mini palette. Now these mini palettes are a $48 value, and this is their Rose and Wood eyeshadow palette. Next, by Dew of the Gods, is their Palm Glaze. This is a pomegranate and retinol reparative facial oil. And there is how it looks. And I love Dew of the God. This is a $30 value. And it promotes cell regeneration, boosts collagen, and repairs sun damage, is what it reports to do. And Dew of the Gods, I believe, is a cruelty-free company. Natasha Denona is. I know Well People is as well. And then my last choice item was by Over Cosmetics, and this is the Verified Liquid Liner. It's a $20 value, and to be honest, there just wasn't anything in that category I was super excited about. So I said, well, I can always use a black eyeliner. And there's how that looks. Now I do boost my box for $15. This month there was only a few selections. I went with their choice product for me, mainly because I wasn't really excited about any of them, and I was like, if I could just not boost this month. But once you have that in there, it kind of stays in there until you cancel it. You can't just cancel it that month. They've already billed you. but this is by Clark's Botanicals. Now this is a $125 value, and this is their Jasmine Vital Cream. It is a gel cream serum formula with red algae, niacinamide, time-released Arnica montana, and jasmine extract for deep hydration and calming. And this company is cruelty-free, plant-based, vegan, and no harmful ingredients. And there is how it looks. That is my Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of December. So what was your favorite product? Mine, probably this Natasha Denona palette, I would say. But let me know what yours was. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.